All new working codes in Blue Lock Rivals. The brand new update is here, and you can still farm eggs for some reason. Was that an egg pop-up? There was literally an egg pop-up in Blue Lock. But we are going to show you every single working code in the new Bachira update that you can actually redeem and get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because if you miss out on any of these codes, you will not get all the rewards that I showed you guys. And also, if you would like to have yourself a extra slot for your flow or your style, you can actually comment down below Bachira right now, guys. Comment down below Bachira, and you can type it just like that, Bachira. There you have it. Type it exactly as I did, Bachira, and I'll be choosing 3 random winners to get themselves a bunch of extra slots to get more styles or flows. Let's actually go ahead and redeem all these codes in the brand new Blue Lock update. The first code is going to be a very interesting one. Vamp. We get the vamp code. We get the new vampire. Vampire code. Revamp exclamation point. Redeem code revamp exclamation point. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on these secret rewards that you can actually obtain in Blue Lock Rivals right now. The next code is going to be a very simple one. Is the China one? Nope. The Chira. The Chira. The Chira. Bachira code. Bachira code. Redeem this code to get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. The next one is going to be very interesting, because if you didn't already know, guys, the monster Bachira has been added into this update, and the next one is already getting a rework. So there will be a special code at 1.6 million. But we didn't reach the 1.6 million interested, so they didn't add this code, okay? Bachira. They didn't add this code because they didn't hit the milestone. They only hit 130k, which is not enough, which is kind of sad. But we do have another secret code for you guys. You can actually redeem yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. It's going to be lucky 1.6 and a billion reward